Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Microsoft's productivity and collaboration tools. Notion provides a highly flexible, all-in-one workspace, perfect for individuals and teams seeking a customizable solution for notes, tasks, and project management. Microsoft, on the other hand, offers a robust, integrated suite of applications, including Word, Excel, and Teams, which are staples in many professional environments. We'll explore how each platform caters to different needs, from personal organization to large-scale enterprise operations, helping you decide which best fits your workflow. Notion shines with its unique block-based editor, enabling users to build incredibly customized pages and databases for virtually any purpose. This flexibility makes it a favorite for startups and small teams who need an adaptable system. Microsoft, conversely, provides industry-standard tools like Word and Excel, essential for professional document creation and data analysis. Its comprehensive suite is often the go-to for larger enterprises that prioritize deep integration, advanced security features, and a familiar ecosystem for their extensive workforce. When it comes to teamwork, Notion offers seamless real-time collaboration directly within its unified workspace, allowing teams to share pages and add comments effortlessly. Microsoft's approach to collaboration is distributed across its powerful applications, with Teams serving as a central hub for communication and co-authoring features available in Office documents. While Notion's API allows for increasing third-party integrations, Microsoft's ecosystem provides a vast network of native integrations, making it a powerhouse for complex enterprise workflows and data management. Regarding cost, Notion provides a generous free personal plan, with paid team plans typically structured per user or by feature set, offering excellent value for growing teams. Microsoft offers a wide array of subscription models, from individual and family plans to comprehensive business and enterprise packages, each with distinct features. Notion scales effectively for teams prioritizing flexibility and a unified workspace. Microsoft's robust enterprise offerings, however, are designed for large organizations requiring extensive security, compliance, and administrative controls across hundreds or thousands of employees.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.